The Indian Army's acquisition of 1,080 Switch UAVs from ideaForge enhances its surveillance capabilities. The UAVs offer extended flight time, safety features, and user-friendly operation, ideal for long-range missions and high-altitude surveillance. With fail-safe redundancies and simplified operation, these drones provide critical real-time information, strengthening border security and battlefield awareness for troops. V.K. Saraswat, NITI Aayog member and former DRDO chief, notes a substantial improvement in India's defense capabilities over the past decade. With 60% of arms and ammunition now indigenous, the nation relies on imports only for immediate requirements. Major corporate houses like Adani, Tata, and L&T are contributing to indigenous defense manufacturing, reducing dependency on imports. The Indian Space Research Organization reveals its plans for Mangalyaan-2, featuring innovative sky crane technology for landing and a Martian helicopter named Marble. ISRO aims for a controlled descent onto Mars' challenging terrain with the sky crane, while Marble will explore the Martian atmosphere. Additionally, ISRO plans a relay communication satellite to ensure seamless connectivity during the mission. HAL's HJT-36 Sitara Intermediate Jet Trainer IJT program is on the brink of a major breakthrough. After overcoming years of delays and technical challenges, the aircraft is expected to receive final clearance later this year. Once approved, user trials and potential production will follow, marking a significant milestone for India's indigenous defense program. In a major breakthrough, the Indian Army unveils a Hexacopter drone armed with a machine gun, developed indigenously under the Make in India initiative. The Surin hexadrones, crafted by Ikran Aerospace, promise to revolutionize tactical operations, enhance soldier safety, and bolster national security capabilities. This innovative UAV, equipped with modular weapon systems and advanced target detection algorithms, offers operational flexibility across diverse combat scenarios. India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh hints at expanding the Indian Navy's carrier fleet beyond the envisioned 3 carriers, with a potential aim for 5 to 6 carriers, including a larger 65,000-ton platform. India responds to China's naval growth in the Indian Ocean region. The Indian Army acquires 300 units of the TVS Sundaram all-terrain tactical hauler, developed in collaboration with Muram Dolphin of Israel. This hybrid electric-powered load carrier enhances soldier mobility by reducing load weight, improving maneuverability, and offering advanced features for operation in diverse terrains, ensuring combat effectiveness. Bharat Dynamics Limited is poised for significant production growth of the Astra MK1 BVR Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile. An anonymous BDL official revealed that the company is nearing a production rate of 50 Astra Mach 1 missiles annually, with plans to increase to 100. This surge in production reflects BDL's commitment to meeting the Indian Air Force's needs. Following an initial order of 250 units in 2022, BDL anticipates additional orders for 400 to 500 missiles.